Just not good enough. You know, we didn't execute well enough. You know, when we did, you know, get some first downs and had a little momentum, seemed to be going backwards a few plays later, and just got into some, you know, third and longs and tough situations. So we just got to find ways to, you know, stop going backwards, stop hurting ourselves, and execute at a higher level.
When you're under siege like that, how do you keep your confidence up?
You know, hey, you know, sometimes you have halves like that, or where it's not going great, but you just keep, you know, you keep hanging in there, keep trying to, you know, buy some time, move around, and just knowing you're maybe one play away from changing the game or hitting a big one. You know, we did hit a you know, a nice one to Cody, and then get down to the 4-yard lines, get a penalty, and go backwards. It's just stuff, you know, stuff like that. We just can't afford to have, you know, the plays where you're going backwards and the sacks early in the down, you know, where you're just, you know, put yourself in a bad situation.
What did they do? What were they doing to take Odell away from you for most of the game?
You know, they just, you know, they did a good job mixing up their coverages, and you know, we just, you know, nothing. I don't know if they had anything specifically, so they just, you know, did a good job, just getting them some, you know, getting some pressure, and didn't, you know, give us a whole lot of time to get the ball down the field.
What can you do or say now, as, you know, obviously a veteran leader, to kind of keep everyone's spirits up here after this kind of start?
You know, just get back to work. You know, just you know, obviously guys are disappointed, and you know, some guys are going to be, you know, frustrated, as we should, but we can't let that affect our preparation, our practices. So we gotta bounce back and you know, come back, you know, be on the road again next week and face a good Houston team. So you know, nothing's gonna get fixed, you know, by itself or complaining. It's about you know, stepping up and making a difference and fixing things.
This is home during the course of the year.
I gave you the rundowns, right?
We're kind of right in the middle of where everything happens. What's going on there, Coach? We see Coach visit with Odell, talk to Snacks, and we see what's really going on, and that's what we bring to the table that you can only get on our shows.